So I asked Claude AI how to make money fast, and it actually worked. My name's Fred. I've made up to $2,600 in a single day in profit selling info products. So by info products, I mean online courses. The first thing I'd like you to understand is that most people use AI wrong. And I used to be one of them for a very, very long time. And in fact, even still to this day, I know I'm underutilizing what AI could do for me. Simply because it's evolving so fast, it's pretty damn hard to keep up with everything that's going on. So most people, how do they use AI? They just ask it a simple question. They don't use any specific prompts, and also they forget to give the AI some context. If you ask any AI, how do I make money online? It's most likely gonna give you a bunch of different business models you could try. But most of those businesses are gonna be shit. Things like dropshipping, things like reselling some stuff on eBay. And if you've watched any of my videos before, you know why I'm so against promoting these kinds of businesses. They're difficult to start, they're very, very low profit. So instead of wasting your time on things which are low profit, why not instead just sell info products, online courses around a topic you know or you have an interest in, and make between 85% to 95% in profit. So whereas most people are gonna ask the AI, how do I make money online, etc., what's the best way to make money online, these very generic bland questions, somebody who understands AI more is gonna give it context. For example, I'll go into Claude AI and I will say, these are my skills, this is what I've achieved, this is where I want to go. I want to make X amount of money in this time frame, or I want to achieve X outcome. So based on my experience, based on my skills, based on what my passion is, based on all this information I give you about me, just tell me what would be the best and most profitable business to start. And this is my criteria. I want it to be high profit, I want it to not cost a lot of money to get started, and I want it to be fun and enjoyable. And what it says every single time is to sell digital products. But as you can see, if you simply give the AI more context, you make your question more detailed, you're gonna get better answers. And that's true, even if you don't use AI, if you ask yourself deeper questions with more context, as opposed to generic, bland, simple questions, you will get better answers. So you will make faster progress. By the way, if you want me to help you start or grow an info product business, so a course business, when you're done watching this video, click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comment. You'll get a free video training that explains exactly how this business model works and how to grow it, and exactly how it's allowed me to make up to $2,600 in a single day in profit without selling my time, by selling products instead. Products which are very high profit. And on that same page, you can also apply to book a free one-to-one call with me directly. And on that call, I'm gonna basically take a look at your situation, where you are right now. We'll take a look at the things you tried, and I'll show you why they failed up until now. And I'm also gonna give you a custom step-by-step roadmap you can follow so you can start selling online courses today and get your first customers quick. So obviously, I'm sure you realize, since I take these calls myself, I can't do 100 of them per day, even per month. So if you want to secure your spot, just click the link in the description below, grab the free training, book your call, and I will see you on the call. Now, I'd like to share with you how I use AI daily in my business. So one of the main ways I use AI is actually to avoid writer's block. So for example, when I'm preparing the scripts for content, nowadays I don't really script my content word for word. I've seen it performs better because people like the human touch, the raw, authentic kind of content, more than the scripts and the Netflix style all the fucking time. And it's just a more natural way of making content and of speaking. Like when you're speaking to someone, you're never scripting everything before you speak to them. You start talking about something, they talk back to you, and then the conversation just flows. That's how to talk to anyone one-on-one. It's just that people struggle with this because when you're talking to a camera, like I'm doing, well, there's the camera isn't going to talk to you back. Maybe at some point we'll have an AI that does this. I'm sure you can do it if you record yourself on the computer. It's a different kind of format, so I wouldn't recommend doing it. But the point is you get used to it. The more content you make, at some point you feel pretty good in front of the camera. And for me, I struggled with it a bit when I started making my first videos because, it was still new to me and I had to speak in a foreign language, which is English. It's not my main language, and I was worse at it than I currently am, obviously. Again, with time and repetition, you just get better at things. But when I was a kid, I would just often pretend that I was, talking in front of an audience. I just enjoyed it. And so it came more naturally to me for that reason. I also use AI a lot for research and for thinking, to analyze whether my ideas are good or bad. Sometimes I'm gonna have an idea, but I don't know if it's an actually good idea worth pursuing, or if it's just a shiny object to distract me from the real thing I need to focus on. And the thing is, if you're just alone trying to come up with an answer, is this what I should do or what I shouldn't do? Sometimes you don't know, like you can't get out of your own head. So it helps to talk to someone like a mentor that's like ideal. Learning from a mentor who's got the results you want is the best way to just learn or build anything in life. But if you can't really afford that, then AI can actually help you. So again, if you're going to do this, give the AI as much context as possible. Don't let it guess a single thing. Otherwise, it's going to fill in the blanks and it's not necessarily going to fit with what you wanted. If you want the AI to fill in the blanks, then tell it. But if you don't, make sure you give it as much context as possible. I also use AI to edit my videos actually. In less than 25 minutes on average, I can just edit my videos very simply. Now, you'll notice my videos, they don't have any fancy editing. There isn't even text on them anymore. I just record, I don't put zoom-ins, it's just record, bam, raw footage. Because that is the kind of content I like to watch. I've already hired like pro video editors, and surprisingly, the videos didn't get more views. People watched the video for a bit longer, but it didn't make that huge of a difference, you know. So at some point I thought, I'm sick of playing this bullshit algorithm game which you can't control either way. I've played the thumbnail game, the hook game, I've done the fucking video editing which takes an hour to produce a video which 40 people are gonna watch anyway. So at some point I just thought, I've had plenty of videos get over 1,000 views, and there are videos where I just talk to the camera. And there's no editing, there's no fancy bullshit. And they got me lots of customers and lots of money. So instead of doing this bullshit Mr. Beastification of YouTube, how about I just make the kind of content I like? The kind of content serious people would actually watch and buy from. Which is most of the time raw, unedited content. Now there is a place for super fancy editing, etc. You won't naturally reach more people if you absolutely retain everyone until the end of your videos. But my goal is not to be famous right now, my goal is to be rich. Because I'm telling you right now, there's so many influencers, they've got millions of followers, but they make prank videos, entertainment content. So they're actually pretty damn broke. Like they make 10 to 30k per month, but they have all these massive expenses. I mean, it's expensive to produce these prank videos or whatever. You need a team, you need people, etc. So they're breaking even, they're not making any profit. And then they're making 10k per month selling some shit merch. That is not a business, really, it's fucking horrible. Whereas at the same time, I know lots of people, they have 50k subs, even sometimes less than 20k subs, and they make like hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. So I mean, you gotta ask yourself, which one do you want to be? You can be both if you want technically, like you can have the fame and the money, but I mean the way you get the fame is that you get the money first so you can fund the production necessary to get famous. And I mean, why would you want to get famous right now when you need to just make some fucking money? Makes no sense. Again, when you have money, it's pretty easy to make yourself famous. So how do I edit my videos with AI? I basically just put the footage into Premiere Pro, and with the text-to-speech option, all softwares have it pretty much. Like you will find it in your editing software, whichever one you use. You can just filter by all the pauses inside your video. So whenever I'm not talking or I'm breathing for a long time, the software, like the AI, is automatically going to find where the pauses are. And then with just 2 clicks, you can delete all the pauses. And then boom. Like a few years ago, I'm telling you, like 5-6 years ago, when I had another channel, this tool didn't exist. Like you couldn't just filter the pauses with AI and just cut everything. So it would take me like an hour at least per video to just make all the cuts myself. It was fucking horrible. But nowadays you can do that easily and for cheap. And I'm pretty sure that every software can do it. I also use AI to create some planners, some AI artifacts. So if you're wondering, what the fuck is an AI artifact? Like I was wondering the same thing just a few days ago, in fact. It's basically like an HTML document. So it could be like a fancy PDF with like graphics, etc. So much better than a PDF I would make on my own, which would be very bland. You can also make sheets, trackers, resources for you, or even for your customers. I know some people just make AI artifacts or AI PDFs and whatever, and they sell that as one of their products. Now, with that said, I don't want you to forget the fundamentals of business, because this is a mistake that kills so many businesses. Like I've seen this time and again. You have to remember this at all times. AI is just a tool. It's like a microphone. You don't start a business and hope it succeeds because you have a good microphone. That'd be pretty damn stupid, right? But nowadays, because AI is big, like it's growing, you know, it's something pretty crazy that we didn't have before. So many people just think it's the new shiny thing that's going to make them rich. And it might be true, but there's a nuance to it. Again, AI is just a tool. People think that just because they do something AI related, it's going to work automatically. Well, no, that's not the case. Just because you made a fucking random ebook with ChatGPT or Claude doesn't mean it's gonna sell and it's gonna work. People say, oh, I'm gonna do an AI agency thing. I'm gonna do an AI chatbot, AI this, AI that. but they forget the fundamentals of business. Let me give you an example. You sell a service to business owners to help them to get more customers. That is something that they want. They will pay you for that. Now, if you go to a business and you tell them, I'm going to build an AI chatbot for you, and the AI chatbot kind of is useless, like it doesn't really do anything, it's not going to help them to make more money, what the fuck is the point? Now, it's a silly, obvious example, but what I'm trying to get you to understand is that you always sell an outcome, a dream, and AI might happen to be one of the tools you're going to use to help your client reach their desired situation. But an AI business means absolutely fucking nothing. Nobody buys AI. Most business owners, they use AI to save time. That's it. Save time and make more money. So the outcome you need to sell is not some bullshit AI chatbot or AI service. Nobody cares about that. You need to sell saving time, making more money. And whether you use AI to do this or anything else, if AI is the most efficient way to do it, the cheapest way to do it as well, then great, awesome. But if not, then you don't need the AI. And something else you need to understand is that AI is great, it's awesome, it can help you do lots of things, save time, and by extension, make more money. If you can produce better quality content, better quality products, in less time you'll make more money. But also, there's something that AI absolutely can't do for you. AI can't take action for you, nor should you rely on AI all the time for advice. Why? Because AI has no practical experience doing things. Like there are some nuances to business that only an actual human who built a business will understand. And that's exactly why all the 6, 7, even 8-figure people I know, I'm talking people who make that per year, they all use AI daily in their business, pretty much like I'm doing. And when it comes to learning, they're not just using AI. They go work with mentors, they buy courses, they join masterminds, etc. from people who've got the kind of results they want. Because that is how you learn fast, and that's how you make money fast. By just taking someone else's knowledge that they took years to accumulate and just downloading it into your own brain. So if you're only relying on AI's help to tell you how to build a business, it is not going to work. AI has no real life experience of doing this. Yes, it's pulling information from all over the internet, and sometimes that is a good thing, but sometimes that is not a good thing. So if you'd like an actual human to help you to start or build an info product / course business, I'm going to do that for you. So right now, click on the link in the description below. There's a quick free training that shows you exactly how this works, and you can apply to book a free one-to-one call with me. On that call, I'm going to take a look at your current situation, show you why it hasn't worked for you yet, see what's blocking you, and I'm also going to give you a custom step-by-step roadmap you can follow so you can start that high-ticket info product or course business and get your first customers as quickly as possible. Like genuinely, you will walk away with a lot more knowledge and actually a step-by-step action plan. You'll know exactly what to do next, instead of watching more free YouTube videos that won't really tell you what to do. Now, obviously, as you know, I'm pretty damn busy, so I can't take 100 calls a day or even 100 calls a month. So if I were you, I would just go click on the link, book that free call right now before all the spots are taken. And I don't know for how long I'm going to keep offering these free calls. So do that right now, and I will see you on the call.